So girls don't like you, huh? Well, brace yourself because that's about to change. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Brett Maverick here. I hope you all are having an awesome day so far. If you like what you see here, I'd really appreciate it if you pull out your phone and follow me on Instagram at BrettMVRK. I put a lot of really dope stuff on there you won't find anywhere else. Now, without further ado, let's get right into it. Number one is being comfortable with taking up space. And I don't mean man-spreading on the train. What I mean is just having a relaxed body language. So what I mean is spreading out on the couch, sitting asymmetrically, or leaning up against a wall, because subconsciously people tend to mirror other people's body language and feelings. It's why when the people that you're around are in a bad mood, you're gonna be in a bad mood too. Just like if they feel comfortable and they look comfortable, you're gonna be comfortable too. So relax. Number two is what I call the mature illusion. It's not a secret that generally speaking, women like and pursue men that appear older than them. It's because from a biological standpoint, they portray an illusion of security and success. Basically, they look like they're past their boy phase, such as dressing a little better, maybe growing out your facial hair, but I think one of the most important ones is taking care of your skin and getting rid of that adolescent acne. And you're in luck because we got that taken care of. So shout out to Tiege Hanley for sponsoring today's video. Tiege Hanley is a subscription-based skincare company. What you do is you just decide which level you want to start with, and then they'll ship your products to your door each and every month without you having to even move a muscle. I recommend just starting out with level 1, which comes with a daily face wash, a morning and evening moisturizer, as well as an exfoliating scrub. I've been using this for about 2 years now. You can even look at my old videos. That's how I first got in touch with Tiege, and my skin is better than it's ever been. Everybody should at least be using a daily moisturizer because it's never too early to start fighting signs of aging. But if you are particularly trying to get rid of acne, they also have a package for that, so check that out. Look at all of their levels and pick which one is gonna work for you. And you know how this works. I got a deal, so you guys get a deal too. Check the link in the description, use my code, and get yourself hooked up with the skincare that I use each and every day. All right, now back to the tips. Number 3 kind of goes along with the maturity thing, but it's to correct the way that you speak. If you speak like a bro or a little kid, then that's the easiest way to seem immature or childish. And like we said earlier, that's not attractive because women love the security and success of older men. So what I mean by this is increase your vocabulary, use some more eloquent words, stop talking with report-seeking tonality that's like curving upward at the end of your sentence. Use report-breaking tonality where you curve downwards a little bit. That's what you see people in positions of power using, such as police officers or teachers. But overall, just have a more mature demeanor in the way that you speak, and it's gonna make a huge difference. Number 4, don't be afraid to touch her. Now, obviously, I don't mean shoving your hand down her pants right off the bat. That's an easy way to catch a Me Too case. But touching her in a friendly, non-creepy way. By doing this, you're establishing to her that you don't find yourself creepy. You find it as completely normal, and then she's gonna believe the same, because the truth is you are what you believe that you are. If you are doing something that you believe is normal and fine, then she's gonna believe it too. I actually made a whole video on how to touch girls without being creepy, so if you want to check that out, I'll put that in the description below. Number 5 is having an abundance mentality. One thing that I've learned over my 24 years on earth is to never put anyone on a pedestal. If you treat her like she's the only one on earth, then it just shows how desperate you really are. So you have to have the mindset that every girl that you meet, every girl that you talk to is replaceable, because it's true. Once you understand this, it'll change the way that you interact with girls, and you'll come off a lot more calm, cool, and collect. And that brings us to number 6, our last psychological tip for today, and that is assuming attraction. The biggest problem I see with guys that are pursuing women is that they assume unattraction. They don't believe that they're worthy for the girl, and it's just not true. When you truly believe that you are worthy of the girl, then it subconsciously projects to her that you are of high value. If you go into a conversation or an interaction with a girl with the belief that you're supposed to be here, that you're worthy of being here, it subconsciously projects onto her, and she'll believe it too. A little trick that I tell people is to tell themselves, I'm cooler than you, and you're lucky to be talking to me. Now, you don't obviously say that out loud to anyone, but if you think that, you can even say it quietly to yourself. And if you believe that going into an interaction, you'll definitely go in there with a more confident demeanor, and she'll believe it just as much as you. I'm cooler than you, and you're lucky to be talking to me. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Use these tricks. They'll definitely help you a lot. I wish I knew these when I was younger, but I went through the struggle, so you guys don't have to. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, subscribe, turn post notifications on. Check out Teach Hanley. This is great stuff. And until next time, peace out.